Welcome to another Play Chess Banter Blitz. I should just quickly check my sound settings just in case. I want it at a decent level. Okay, going from 94 to 100. Hope the sound is okay. Hope the screen is okay. Hi. Oh, on stream. Welcome to another Play Chess over here. Alright, let's play a 3 minutes. Start off with. So let's hope no London systems today. Having said that, I think probably every game is going to be a London system now. Now that people know how to torture me. I'm playing white though in the first game, so I'll play b3. So this has been my weapon of choice for bullet chess recently, with very interesting results, although he's distracted me from playing f4. Yes. He's kind of put me off playing f4 already with this early queen e7. I usually play f4. He's hemmed in his bishop. Is he going to fin Chateau? His bishop. I guess he's going to fin Chateau. Yeah, it looks like a reasonable position for both sides, I hope. That includes me. I hope it's reasonable. It's a sort of reverse French defence, which he's clamping down on my g4. And there's also a possibility of knight d4 if queen c2. So this is a little bit scary, knight d4 and e3. So that's why I'm playing this rather than this. As a safety against knight takes d4. Yeah, I don't know how dangerous that is. It looks as though it will be liberating black's position, hitting my queen and knight on d2. So yeah, I'm trying not to get blasted to smithereens, and he's going to try it anyway. He's going to try and blast me to smithereens in any case with this knight sack. Okay, can I not just play here? Knight f3. I'm hoping there's no killer checks. I can't see any killer checks at the moment. I'm looking forward to this e-file. It looks already as though, yes. Oh, he gets material. I didn't see that. Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Oh, this is going to be great fun. Oh, great. So that's a tactic I totally didn't see. I'm still vaguely on the board, right? Oh, he's going to take on d4 next. I'll take here. Bishop takes d4. I was just wondering what the rook was doing on d3. I'm getting tactically blasted, aren't I? Okay. But I'm the exchange up, so I don't think it's that bad. How many pawns? Actually, he's got quite a lot of pawns, hasn't he? He's got 7 of them. I've only got 5 of them. So 2 pawns for the exchange. So he's not doing that badly at the moment. His clock is dwindling. Oh, this might be good news here. I can get my rooks coordinating. Someone's making a very funny joke on stream. Yeah. Which I'm okay. A joke involving chess base, yes. Chess base is done by Play Chess, yes. They're one and the same. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, I've won the first game. I know, it's amazing. I managed to win a game. Let's try another. Let's give it a pause so I don't get exactly the same opponent 10 times in a row. Shall I try giving it a pause? And I get the same opponent. Great. Okay. I'm going to have to abort next. I'll play with black as courtesy to change the colour. But if we get another game, I'm going to abort it if it's with the same player after. Because I would like some variety. I know, call me fussy, but yeah, I like some variety when I play these sessions. Okay. Now I'm getting positionally stuffed, aren't I? With space advantage. I'm wondering if I should have played the Slav defense now. There's a reason why the Slav defense is popular. You don't get positions like this. Okay. Not usually anyway. Oh crikey. He's really going for it here. Oh, am I going to get absolutely murdered now? It looks as though I am. I say that in a laughing way, as if I don't care that I'm going to be totally stuffed. But no, it's good. It's all good stuff. It's all good stuff. Getting stuffed. Yeah. Okay. H6. He's got to have knight F7. Can I evict this knight before I get checkmated? Oh, F takes and then H6. Okay. I assume this might be okay. In some weird way, it might be okay. If I kick this, and then I have to lose the exchange, do I? Because my queen's checkmated. That's nice. Queen H5, King G8, Bishop F5, Knight F6. Okay, I get a chance for E6. He's got G4 if he wants. He's got that check if he wants. Oh, he's got Bishop H6. Let's try and play Queen E7. Queen F7 next. Don't tell me there's going to be another energetic smash for a move. Right. This guy's pretty aggressive. I'm wondering if I can play Queen F7 here and live to tell the tale. Very aggressive. He's noticed maybe I haven't got the pieces out of the box. Knight H5, I'm not sure that does anything. Let's get the pieces connected. Don't know. I don't know about this. Right, the bishop holds. Okay. There is bishop C6 maybe. Threatening mate on G2. Alright, let's try and take this and take again and threat mate on G2 again and put the bishop back. Lose C5, maybe rook F8 followed by knight E4. Okay. He's got rook E7. Hold on. Do I need a better move? Maybe a move like rook F8 is better. Or bishop E4. Hold on. If I play bishop E4, okay, rook E4, knight E4. I just want to stop this rook E7 and avoid F5 dropping. Both of those things would seem unnecessary if I have bishop E4 especially. So bishop E4. Now rook F8. Pieces trying to protect each other like crazy. It's always good news in the Blitz game. And I feel as though I'm under pressure here. Protecting more pieces with the same pieces. Queen protects the pawn, bishop protects the pawn, the knight protects the bishop, the queen protects the knight, the rook protects the knight. Everything's trying to protect each other like crazy. That's the only thing I can think of doing at the moment. First thought is protection of pieces. And he's only got 16 seconds anyway. Let's exchange off. Queens. Uh-oh. I didn't see that. He can win. He's going to lose on time, whatever happens. He could have won a knight there, I expect. Okay. Okay, can we try and grab another game from someone else? I'm going to abort if it's the same person. I'm going to have to abort, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, can I just have something different? Okay. I'll give white and black. I think that's fair. But I don't want a gigantic match with only one person for the whole session. I'll play this hack attack business. So rook h6, rook g6, knight g2, knight e3. Try and win the queen for 2 knights. I like this. I think this opening is a positional advantage. The way people play d5 too quickly, it's a positional advantage with this bishop being good. The tango, when it's when it's tangoing, is positionally, I think, very nice. It's when they know what to do about it that it's not so nice. So you could argue that I play my blitz openings on statistical probability for being good or not. Statistical probability. Klimt Killer, are you the same guy, Muswell Hill, that I played once? You didn't come to the Muswell Hill Blitz, is that right? I was looking forward to getting some revenge against you if you're the same person on the Muswell Hill Blitz. Everyone wanted to play me on increments, by the way. 2 chickens play me without increments. If you are that same person. Sorry, I might have had you confused with someone else, but did we play Muswell Hill Blitz? Was it someone else? Okay. Maybe I'm confusing someone else. Okay. So rook h8. Okay, let's not lose the bishop to cd. Okay, a safety precaution. No, that wasn't it. I went to play b6 as the safety precaution. So there's still this cd business. Can I step out of this cd, winning the bishop somehow? Another great technical problem to try and solve. Knight f3, knight d4. I don't know about knight d4. The rook's got to cling on to the bishop because otherwise c takes and bishop takes. Right, if I do something with that rook there. Oh, I think I've got an idea. I could double potentially. Alright, let's go there. I don't want to lose this bishop. Okay, how to do this? Very interesting. How do I actually do this? Oh, it's not a problem anymore. He's released that possibility. Okay. Now there's rook f2. Okay. I think it's a bit rosier now because yeah, I haven't got too many worries in this position. I think I play well, I can take this guy. A5 coming up. Take care. Play b4. b3, b2. Right. I mean, that's it. Okay. Let's play another 3-minute game. Sub-it this time. There's actually a Fischer game which got me when he played b3. It seemed very, very elegant. He had. Maybe I should look up some more of his b3 wins. That reminds me. Yeah, some Fischer games with 1 b3. That'll be interesting. I don't think I've covered all of his 1 b3 games, but it's interesting how Fischer played it. Yeah, I think. When he did reel it out, It was a Fischer weapon. The occasional Fischer secret weapon. 1 b3. I believe. Now, this is getting very dodgy, isn't it? I'm going to lose h2. What am I doing? I'm going to lose h2. Can I get any compensation after losing h2? It's a knight c4 coming out. Oh, knight d6 might have been good. Okay, we'll get e1. Protect this pawn. Okay, nothing much going on here, I'm afraid. Knight e5. I'm reacting to his threats. Just reacting. That's all I can do. React, I think. Maybe here. Or here. I sometimes get a nice attacking position. Finally, he might have to respond to b5. He might play c4 now. c4. All this. Okay. I'll play for d3. Oh, I've just lost the pawn over here. Oh, okay. I can take that and not lose a pawn. This guy's... he wants to harass my rooks. What have they done to deserve this? My rooks are being attacked. Oh, knight g4 wins the exchange. Actually, this bishop takes here. I just noticed for knight g5. Knight takes. Okay. There's knight g4 at any point. Fischer on 1b3. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. If that's my pet opening at the moment, I should see how the great players handled 1b3. Okay, coordination on F7. G4, G5. Okay. Let's have another game then for someone. Grok 99. I suspect this is worse for me technically in this position. Control the file at least. I control the file. E5 might be, I hope, useful. On knight F2 is threatened. Oh crikey! Oh crikey! That was nasty. F6. Oh, he has got that, hasn't he? I'm not doing very well here. Just losing pawns. I've got weaknesses. I'm not doing very well at all. Alright, can I take on C5 at least? Oh no, he just crashes through, doesn't he? He takes on G3. Alright. Oh, crikey. Oh, okay, this is my chance for a draw in a worse position. I'm 2 pawns down. Does he just want to draw? I don't think I've got anything better. Okay, I better just take the draw. Yeah, I just too many weaknesses. I know it's a loss of rating points, but it's not fair, is it, for me to do anything else? Technically. And he's very efficient on the clock as well, so. If it was like down to like 5 seconds, then I can play on. This is more like what I want from this opening. If there is a point to this opening. Although a3 would have been good to keep the light square bishop myself. Maybe I misplayed it a bit. I should, if I had time for a3 as well, just to keep that light square bishop going. And that was an inaccuracy. That could be tortured as well. Bishop a6. Yeah. He's kind of blocking in his own bishop. I wonder knight e5 and then f5. f5. I don't know, is this leading anywhere? Knight g6 is possible. Queen takes, knight takes e7 check. So you can play queen d8. But it's something to bear in mind. Okay. Well, there's rook f6 here. This is more like what I want from the opening. To put material like that with that pin. Okay. Take it here. That's unfortunate. Okay, back to not being material up. Maybe knight f6 coming up will be good. F takes, d takes, knight f6 coming up. He's got bishop f6, e takes, queen takes. Okay, it's better to play rook g6 instead, or rook e6, either. Maybe rook, yes, e6, c3. So rook g6 for a moment. c3 would hit e6. Okay, I'll play this for a moment. Right, and just if I build up pressure, yeah. Or try and build up pressure with this h5, h6. Okay. That's not entirely pleasant, is it? Now if I played knight f6, yeah, it just takes. He's got that pin. Alright, try and stabilise d2, but he's got that horrible pin working for him. Let's get the queens off. Maybe rook g7. Alright, h7 here threatens. He's blocked in his bishop. Rook takes queen h8. Yes, he's just blocked in his bishop. That weakness in the last move. bit of a trap opening, this, to win e4. So my good friend Paul Georgia taught me this one. I should have some blitz matches with him. You have 4 of us playing blitz with crisps and stuff. Chess combined with junk food session. Haven't had one for a while. Okay, this is winning quite quickly, I think. Bishop takes, king e2, bishop d4, queen e3 after. Okay, he wants a rematch. I'll just click free. If he grabs it, he grabs it. Or not. As my case may be. Someone else. So that was a bit of a trap opening there. It's a quick point score. I find that very frequently people do that. Fall into that. Can I play this? For bishop h3, I wonder. Oh, d5 might win a piece. This a7 bishop again is a liability, like in a previous game. If I move the knight, I lose the bishop. So I can't really move this rook. It's really doing a... So he's hitting that pawn. What if I took on f3 and then took on d4? Is that... Maybe that's an idea. Let b7 go. It's a centre pawn. No, I might be getting b2. This looks as though there's some fun here. c3 now is hanging. So rook b6 would hit the rook. This whistling is funny. This whistling is funny. Cheeky server sounds. Nothing to do with me. So that rook is attacked and the queen is attacked. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you want to make that tango sort of trap, I haven't really documented it that much. I think it's easy not to document traps because when you prepare videos, you usually look at best moves for both sides. But I think in a lot of trap videos, you have to... The traps are around in some suboptimal moves, so it's that psychology you need to actually do a trap video. It's an interesting, different perspective you need to take. And I haven't done that sort of trap video on that particular line a couple of games back. Maybe I should. I'm playing top board here. Really? Is this top board? It says I'm playing top board. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Okay, so knight a6. Would seem logical, but he's playing this by the book. It's like I'm in trouble, aren't I? I don't want to be hacked to death if I can help it. Let's try and keep things closed. If I have knight c5, I'm hoping, or bishop d7 first, because I mean knight b5 after. Bishop d7, if knight b5 I could take. So bishop d7, knight c5. Although, yeah, he's showing that I really can't use that because knight f5 it will be really bad later if I ever lost my light square bishop. Maybe I can protect c7 with something else. Rook b6. Okay, I'm doing this artificial rook left, a bit similar analogous to another game earlier, but that was on this side. But this on this side, he's going to have that lovely f5 square now. Okay. Knight b3 might be threatened. AB, king b1, queen a2, king c1, queen a1 is mate. I'm threatening this, it seems. AB. Yep. Let's go for it. And we got the whistling. Trying to imitate the whistling myself. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Let's get another opponent. Play the tango again. Or not. King's injured then. Oh, no. It's not going to be a London system, is it? Please. Alright, I said to myself, if I have to play against... Oh, it's not quite a London system. I gave myself some checklists. If someone plays the London system against me, don't create any weaknesses of a last move, which is easier said than done. Don't do any weakening pawn moves. I think... So even if I was totally planless against the London system, I wanted to try and do those things for as long as possible, because I seem to have a lot of games recently where I go into total meltdown, self-destruct against the London system setup. But it's not quite London system setup here, so that's fine. There's a bit of variety, I think. Yes. So let's see. Excuse me, I don't know, I seem to have had a long day. It's the weather here, it's pretty humid here today actually. And I've eaten not too long ago. So in Mediterranean countries, I think they sometimes sleep in the afternoon. No, it feels like it's a Mediterranean country at the moment here. Probably last 1 or 2 days more, I don't know. Maybe there's only one shared file. He hasn't weakened f4. In fact, I've weakened light square here. Paying a price already, aren't I? Weakening this c6 square. With the double pawns, he controls well f4. d4 is well controlled. This could be a hard nut to crack. Let's move here. Maybe. So maybe c6 and knight e6. How many synonyms are there for cloudy in the London language? Yeah, probably quite a lot. I remember Tricolo to learn French. I just blundered B6. Oh, that's great. I just blundered B6. Tricolo. And it was like echoing the French culture because they got a lot of words to do around food. So, and I realise now it's because food is a great passion of mine. Eating nice food. That I really quite enjoyed French just from that angle of exploring indirectly French culture, which gave a great priority on food, nice food, and generally having a chilled out time, I think. So anyway, my structure's just totally wrecked here. Totally totaled wrecked. However, there is a however, I believe. I'm not entirely sure how easy it is to break my position down from here. And yeah, what happens when he gets short time? What does he do when he gets short time here? Does he break my position down? Queen e8 just to hold everything for a moment longer. So c6 is held. e5. Oh, c5 drops off. Nope, c5 drops off. Pretty non-controversial. Then a5 drops off. Okay, that's nice. Okay, might have to start doing something before everything drops off. Except I don't know what. F5 looks as dodgy as anything. Let's do that. So even though it wasn't a strict London system, I do have that self-destruct experience now. It's starting with that bad pawn structure. Yeah. Okay. Can I do that? I didn't want to lose f5 as well. The way he's played it, I seem to have some piece activity at least. I don't know about leaving my king alone over here. Maybe queen f6 is a better bet. Actually, I was going to play the check, but I think my king is bishop g6, bishop f5. At least this way f5 is not dropping off too quickly. I might have bishop f8 as well. The queen's needed for defense here. If the queen was over there, you can imagine it would be difficult to play certain moves. Oh, there, queen h7 is mate. Nice. Nice for my opponent. They can threaten mate then cheekily. But with 21 seconds now, we're in a bullet finish, aren't we? Queen g7 on queen b7. It's taking too long here, surely. Queen b7, threaten the mate. Queen g7. Is he trying to surprise me with something else? Queen e7. Oh, he's got quite a bit of time. What happened there to his clock? That's unfortunate. His clock's not working. I've just dropped the bishop. Try and pre-move this. Okay, his clock kind of. That's the only thing I could do is win on time. It's like Blitz without increment. That's what I love about Blitz without increment. Yeah. Okay, why am I playing one more game? Why? I could have just stopped there. Okay. Too late to abort. Okay. I think I could have just stopped there. I'll try and make these sessions just 45 minutes. But anyway. Can you imagine if it was increment? I'd have to live with that position. You know? For a lot longer. So these positions are only designed to be limited suffering experiences. If it was increment, I think I might have to seriously reconsider playing a little bit more, as a technical term, solidly. I think they use the term solidly sometimes, but it's not increment. So these are throwaway positions, you know. H4. Right, can I gambit a bit of a pawn? Why now? You might wonder why I think this is some good idea here, and I'm wondering that myself. I think part of the reason, if I don't lose H5 and get mated, there was something to this. Crikey. But I'm having trouble understanding it now. Okay, bishop takes e2, maybe. The way he's played that. There's a let off. Isn't that? No, he's got queen f3, queen h5, queen h7, if I'm not careful. So that disaster scenario, how could that be averted? I seem to have gone right into it. He's ignoring that possibility. I can't kick this without queen d5 and then losing the bishop. How on earth do I have to play knight h8? Is that the move? I unfortunately no. Okay. I'll play this. I've got an idea. Knight h8 only on demand. Right, he's not using his queen f3 there for queen h5. Okay, I did just lose the bishop. Great. This compensation is absolutely nebulous, but it exists, doesn't it? Knight h3, queen e6. Knight f4, queen g4. King g2, e takes his check. King h2. King h2, there's nothing. That goes into knight g5. Very nice. So I'm a piece down now. Without king h7 because it's knight g5. I think I was just so happy he didn't use queen f3 earlier. Forgot about the bishop on a7. Okay. Oh, rook a8. I could trap his queen with rook a8 as things go. Here, rook a8 threatens to trap the queen. For some reason, he's left his queen in a strange place. I got the whistling, the reassuring whistling is back. As if I might have played something good. Okay. c6, rook takes, c takes, queen takes. Let's take the queen, thanks very much. Was that intending me to play a pre-move? That would be naughty. Where he would just take my rook off. That's very naughty. Queen b8. Trying to pounce, I believe, on a pre-move of taking his queen. You should only play pre-moves, generally, if they're non-risky. Now rook g7 is another imminent danger here if I move the rook. Let's unpin the bishop. Alright, I think I'm going to go now. I hope you enjoyed this session. 1 fun, 10 boring. I remain unscathed in this particular session. There was a draw, however. So the rating here is 2283 now. I'm happy with that. Okay, see you next week. Thanks so much. Cheers then.